Welcome to CJC. We continuously bring new products and technology to life, and we are pleased to use this format to give you insight into the new possibilities with oil filtration. Today the topic is our new varnish removal unit, the VRU. CJC has more than 60 years of experience with oil filtration, utilising offline filters, also called kidney loop filters, and our own patented depth media filter inserts. The CJC offline filters are designed to remove all main contaminants from oil, meaning particles, water, varnish, and even acidic degradation products. Oil degradation products, oxidation, and varnish are known to cause problems in many industries, but especially within power generation. The results can be costly turbine trip outs, loss in revenue, and even penalties for not producing electricity or steam.
The varnish-related problems seem to have escalated the last few years, and many have found that the so-called dissolved soft contaminants are a major part of the problem. When soft contaminants are dissolved, they cannot be removed through standard mechanical filters, nor efficiently with electrostatic filters. The soft contaminants are polar in nature and adhere onto dipolar or colder metallic surfaces in cold spot areas or during outages when the turbine is stopped and the oil temperature drops. Varnish is often formed in the hydraulic control system, where sticking and malfunction of servo valves create problems in turbine regulation and can shut down the entire plant. Many gas turbines operate with an oil temperature above 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit in the reservoir, while the oil leaving the bearings is much hotter than 80 degrees Celsius or 175 degrees Fahrenheit. At these temperatures, most of the soft contaminants are dissolved in the turbine oil, so an oil sample will seem clear. However, cooling the sample down will show the extent of the contamination. Over the lifetime of the turbine oil, the antioxidant additives get depleted, meaning the levels fall, here indicated with the ruler graphs. When the antioxidant level falls, the varnish level increases rapidly. It may be fine for a short period of time and not cause large problems, but when the varnish level exceeds MPC level of around 20, it isn't safe anymore. As you can see, the lubrication qualities of the oil decrease over time. Current systems on the market, like traditional filtration, electrostatic, or other technologies, may work for a while, but are typically unable to keep up with the varnish formation. The graph shows how the electrostatic filter can help to decrease the varnish level, but only shortly, and then it picks up again. This is primarily because the dissolved soft contaminants cannot be removed as long as the oil temperature remains high. The new depth media filter can lower the level even when the turbine oil is hot. See how the varnish level falls after an outage. This is due to the soft contaminants falling out of solution when passing through the CJC offline filter system. The new CJC varnish removal unit incorporates well-known and proven technology with optimized varnish removal inserts in combination with a special oil treatment, but no chemicals that may cause harm to the additive package in the oil. The varnish can easily be removed by replacing the VRU filter inserts. The VRU is designed to lower the level of soft contaminants significantly and get varnish levels within safe values in just a few weeks. Here the VRU is installed on a gas turbine. You see the oil inlet and outlet, the filter housing, and the control box keeping everything in check. Here you can see how the inserts look after 4 weeks pulling the dissolved varnish out of the turbine oil. The VRU functions as the new cold spot in the system, where varnish will precipitate out in the inserts instead of the hydraulic valves, inline filters, bearings, or elsewhere in the turbine where varnish can cause severe problems. These photos show how varnish is retained by the VRU. The results speak for themselves. The new versus used VRU insert. No more varnish on critical turbine components. The results are impressive and emphasize how effective the VRU is. The oil, now free from contaminants, is leaving the VRU and will start to clean up the turbine, removing varnish from the system tank, valves, bearings, etc.
We are ready to help your plant increase turbine reliability and availability. You can also benefit from our expertise and knowledge gained through 60 years in filtration. Visit us at ccjensen.com and cjc.dk.